Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's Naina Sajid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channels where I share my experiences and tips for those who are going on this beautiful journey of Hajj and Umrah. Today I will covering the essentials you need when you preparing for Hajj. Let's get started. But before starting I will request you kindly please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channels. So first I would like to discuss about the documents. The first and the most important items are your documents. So first in documents you must need passports and visa because without these you won't be able to travel enter in Saudi Arabia. Next is a Hajj permit or Umrah permit which is a mandatory for performing the Hajj. Or third one is a vaccination certificates is showing the proof of required vaccinations, and finally it is a good idea to have a travel insurance for any emergencies or unexpected situations. Now let's talk about the religious item you will need during the Hajj and Umrah. First of all, we would like to discuss about the ihram. For men, the ihram consists of two white unstitched cloths, while women should wear the simple modest clothing. Women should wear the hijab cap, hijabs, gowns and comfortable scarf. Next one is a prayer mat. We need a prayer mat for a namaz, so this one is a very important. Having a pocket sized Quran for recitations during the peaceful moments is helpful. Next one is a dua books. We need a dua books for performing our task for Hajj and Umrah. Next one is a tasbih, and don't forget your tasbih or prayer beads for frequent tickers. Now I will discuss about the personal hygiene and health. Personal hygiene is a super important, especially in the heat and crowded space. Here is what you need: unscented toilet things like soap, shampoos, liquid soaps, and paste, toothpaste. Bring along any medications you need. That could be including painkillers, fever related, cough syrups, and most important thing is a small first aid kit. Next one is a hand sanitizers. Keep hand sanitizer with you for cleanliness. Since the weathers can be harsh, pack the sunscreen, lip balms and wet wipes. You can take the tissues with you, and most important thing is a face mask for protection is crowded places, and an umbrella for shade are also very helpful. Now we will discuss about the clothing and accessories. First one is a comfortable shoes are most important. You will be walking a lot, so choose the shoes that are easy to wear and breathable. Bring the flip flops for wuzu and other quick uses. Make sure your clothing is lightweight and breathable as it can get very hot. Sunglasses and a hat will protect you from the suns. A belt bag or small pouch to carry the essential like a money and your ID will be handy. And don't forget a small towels to fresh up. And you should also keep the three bags with you. One was for your shoes, second was for your haram things, and third was if you are going for Hajj you need a bags for a Mina. Now we will discuss about the electronics items. In this digital age, electronics can be a big help. Your phone and charger are essentials for navigations and communications. A portable power bank will keep your phone charged on long days. Make sure to bring a necessary adapter or plus converters for your electronics devices. Now in the last we will discuss about the water bottle. Always carry a water bottle to stay hydrated. Quick snacks like energy bars, dates and nuts can keep your energy up. Our drawstring bags or backpack to carry your daily essentials are small locks to secure your belongings in shared accommodations. That's wrap on the essential item you need for Hajj. I hope this guide helps you prepare for your journey about Hajj and Umrah. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channels for more useful content about Hajj and Umrah and other aspects of our spiritual journey. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.